Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how you can make a color palette from an image. Let's say you see an image that you really like and you'd like to use those colors in a design. Instead of randomly color picking from the image, here's a cool way you can do that. First off, import your image into Illustrator and click on this. It's really easy. It's basically already done. So just go to Object, create Object Mosaic. Now over here you can choose how many little boxes you want, little squares. So let's say I want 2. Then to define the height, you can just click on Use Ratio. So just press OK. And as you see, it created our 2x3. If we wanted to have more colors, you just go back. Create Object Mosaic. Let's say we want 5. Then click on Use Ratio. And as you can see, we get the ratio height. Press OK, and there we have it. Now, to take it even a step further, another really cool thing you can do is just select your color palette. Click here to open your swatches panel. If you can't find it right over here, just go to Window and select Swatches. Anyways, just click on the folder icon, which is the new color group. Make sure that these 2 boxes are both checked. Rename your color group. I'm going to go with flowers and just press OK. And as you can see, it automatically made it into a color palette group. So if I were to make a design or whatever, I could just click on the color I want from my color palette. That's it. It's really easy, really straightforward. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe if you like my content. And yeah, I'll see you in a couple of days. Bye!